So, ang given nato nga function is naka-interval. Na-interval siya, diba? So, prove that f is continuous at 1. Determine if it is differentiable at 1. So, dili tanan continuous kay differentiable. Pero kung differentiable siya, that means continuous po siya. So, ana siya. So, diri sa taon na prove that f is continuous at 1. So, diba, kung tong continuous, tong tanawon, i-prove man nato. Kung continuous, diba? Una nga condition kay ang f of a exist. Diba? Kung f of a, pilion na to tong na equal to, kana na equal to nga function. Ay katong na equal to nga interval mo to atong pilion nga function. So kini 1 minus x squared. So 1 equals 1 minus x squared. Then 1 man at continuous at 1 man, so substitute na to 1. 1 minus 1 squared is 1 is equal to 0. So therefore f of a, so dili mo siya undefined, so therefore f of a exists. Next is ato siyang atong limit of f of x as x approaches to, ang a na to is 1 man. So diba kung from the right ta o from the left. So from the right, asa man atong function diri So from the right, sa 1 ta ha, 1 from the right. So kini negative 1 man so dili na to ni siya makuan. Kini 1 from the right, so sa to pa kini. So kining negative 1 times 1 minus x squared equals ang 1 from the left, so negative 1 man yung 1 from the left, 1 from the right man so 1 from the left, so naara siya diri ang interval, so therefore kini nga function 1 minus x squared. So substitute negative 1 minus 1 squared. So 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 times negative 1 in 0. Kini kay 1 minus 1 squared is still 0. So therefore, equal man ang from the left to from the right. So mo proceed ta sa letter C. Katong f of a equal ba siya sa limit of f of x as x approaches to a. So remember, f of a na to is 0. Limit of f of x as x approaches to a or sa 1 is 0. So therefore, it is continuous at 1. Diba? So next is determine if it is differentiable at 1. So kung maingon tag differentiable, diba, isolve na to ang iyahang derivative. Asa man ta ani ha? Darian na lang ta. Iyahang derivative. So kung maingon tag kuan, diba, atong isolve iyahang derivative. Diri ta sa determine if it is differentiable at 1. So ang given nato, diba, is negative times 1 minus x squared. So kung ato na siyang isolve ang derivative niya ang 1 may mong 0. So mahimo na siyang, so 2 times negative is negative 2. So na pa siya negative 2x na lang. Or negative times negative 2x na ni siya, 2x. If katog gyapon tong interval gamiton, x is less than negative 1 kana. Next is kaning kaduha nga function 1 minus x squared. So kung imo na siyang isolve ang derivative, so negative 2x. So therefore atong interval is negative 2x. If katog gyapon negative 1 then kana. Then, ang last na kuan is negative 1 times 1 minus x squared. So, negative 1. So, derivative ani is na negative 1, then 0 na ni siya. 2 times negative is Negative 1 is negative 2x. So, negative times negative, positive 2x. If x is greater than 1 or parehara na sila. So, muna ni iyahang derivative, diba? So, kini atong basihan kung pagkuha sa differentiation. Since interval man ato ang given, so ato ang gamitan og katong kuan sa continuous, katong continuity nga conditions. Pero ang kalahian lang ang sa interval atong interval karon nga functions kay derive na siya. So f of a exist. So kuan f of a katong na ay equal to, so kining negative 2x at differentiable at 1 man, so negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. So therefore di man siya undefined, so therefore it exists. Sa B, ang limit of f of x as x approaches to a, so ang limit of f of x as x approaches 1 from the right og 1 from the left. So 1 from the right, so asa man ta diri so 1 from the right kini kay greater than man, so 2x, so equals limit of 2x as x approaches to 1 from the right. Then limit of 1 from the left, so negative 1 man so dili ni mao nga function. So 1 from the left, so naara diri so kining negative 2x as x approaches 1 from the left. Then substitute ang 1, 2 times 1, negative 2 times 1. So 2 equals negative 2. So diri pa lang dili naman siya kuan equal. So therefore it is not differentiable at x equals to 1. So anion ninyo ang inyong anion pag-solve ang differentiable kung interval ang given. Pero kung dili interval ang given, isolve lang ang derivative niya, tapos kuan tan-awon ninyo ang last answer kung naa ba siya, kung asa siya, kung dili ba siya ma-undefine at a certain number of x ana siya. Then kung interval ingani yung process inyong basihan katong derivative ninyo ang original nga given function. So makita na to diri continuous siya at 1 pero dili siya differentiable at 1. So dili tanan continuous differentiable, pero kung differentiable ang function, that means continuous siya.